Good morning, good afternoon, or very good evening to all the students and teachers watching and listening to this video. Welcome in Listen and Read Aloud series by my online English class. In this particular video, we are going to read aloud two important poems from unit number 2. The first one is 2.1, You Start Dying Slowly by Pablo Neruda, and the second one is 2.3, The Twins by Henry Sambrook Leigh. Before we move forward, I would like all of you to subscribe the channel for all the future notifications and videos. Let us read aloud the first poem, that is, You Start Dying Slowly. If you do not travel, if you do not read, if you do not listen to the sounds of life, if you do not appreciate yourself, you start dying slowly. When you kill your self esteem, when you do not let others help you, you start dying slowly. If you become a slave of your habits, walking every day on the same paths, if you do not change your routine, if you do not wear different colors, or you do not speak to those you don't know, you start dying slowly. If you avoid to feel passion and their turbulent emotions, those which make your eyes glisten and your heart beat fast, you start dying slowly. If you do not change your life when you are not satisfied with your job or with your love, if you do not risk what is safe for the uncertain, if you do not go after a dream, if you do not allow yourself at least once in your lifetime to run away from sensible advice. Pablo Neruda. The second poem is The Twins. In form and feature, face and limb, I grew so like my brother that folks got taking me for him, and each for one another. It puzzled all our kith and kin. It reached a fearful pitch, for one of us was born a twin, yet not a soul knew which. One day, to make the matter worse, before our names were fixed, as we were being watched by a nurse, we got completely mixed. And thus, you see, by fate's decree, or rather nurse's whim, my brother John got christened me, and I got christened him. This fatal likeness even dogged my footsteps when at school, and I was always getting flogged, for John turned out a fool. I put this question fruitlessly to everyone I knew. What would you do if you were me? To prove that you were you, our close resemblance turned the tide of my domestic life, for somehow my intended bride became my brother's wife. In fact, year after year, the same absurd mistakes went on. And when I died, the neighbors came and buried Brother John by Henry Sambrook Leigh. Thank you so much, students, for listening.